Ladies and gentlemen, you're most welcome once again. In this video, we're going to look on how we can do sorting of data by multiple columns involving specified columns. So to do that, first of all, we have a worksheet which is open, as you can see here. So we have several steps that we're going to follow while sorting data by multiple columns. So first of all, we're going to select the data range that you want to sort. This can be done by selecting a single column or several columns. So in this case, I have different columns. I have this column like date. I have hours worked, time in, time out, subject taught, topic covered. So I will select one of this column. For example, I will select this subject that was taught. After selecting that column, what I will do, I will go ahead and click on the data tab on the ribbon. So of course you have to check in the ribbon of tabs, like the home tab, insert tab. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the data tab on the ribbon. After that, then I will select the sort button in the sort and filter group. So as you check in these groups, in the groups under the data tab, you see there's one group called sort and the filter. So after that, I think you can see that one, uh, the sort and filter, you can see it here. So sort and filter, this is what I'm talking about. So as you can see this group, which is called sort and filter. So what I'm going to do, I will just select sort. After that, go ahead and uh, click on it. I will say I will go ahead and select the sort button in the sort and filter group. The sort dialog box will appear. So after clicking on that, you'll see a dialog box window that will appear on the screen. And this has two options. One, we have expand the selection, and then we have continue with the current selection. So I'll have to continue with this current selection here. So I'll check option 2 and go ahead and click on button sort. So from here, what I will do after clicking on then on the sort on then I'm going to look at the different ways on how I can sort. Of course, as you can see on this dialog window that has popped up on the screen, I have the sort by I have the column. First of all, I need to select the column. Of course, the column selected is subject to, that's why you can see it here. And then after I have to choose which type of sorting do I want. First, I will select the values which are in this column. So the values I want to sort them. There's what you call A to Z and Z to A. A to Z is ascending order, while Z to A is descending order. So I'll first of all sort this in ascending order by selecting A to Z. Go ahead and click OK. And then you see all the data in ascending order. Ascending order means starting from small to the large. Yes, as you can see, my value start from A and goes up to P. When I select a sort in descending order, still within the same current selection, and then when I select Z to A, I go ahead and click OK. Now you can see my data has been sorted from big or from large to small, starting from P and down one I have A. That is descending order. So the other thing I can do is that still under sort, I can do what we call sort by cell colors. So here you choose the color you want in the cell. You can also choose the font color. You can also choose the formatting icon. So all those are different options you can use to sort data within a selected column of values. So what if I didn't select exactly one column and instead I have to select each several of different columns, multiple columns. So first of all, I go ahead and select different columns, say date, hours worked, time in, time out, and then I can go ahead and select all the columns, go ahead and click on sort. They say this can't be done on multiple range of selection. Select a single range of values. So I think here I just have to select a one range ranging from like D1 uh, to what to D25. So normally here I have to select one range, say this, then go ahead and sort that. If I want to use expanded selection, can go ahead and choose that. And then as you see here now, when you say expand, meaning I've now it has expanded by including all the other columns. As you can see, I have the school, I have date, hours work, time in, time out, subject, and topic covered. So here I can select, for example, topic covered as one of the option I want, check the values, and then I can sort in ascending order or descending order, and then you can see each and everything. So when this one is arranged, or when you've sort this in descending, automatically all the other values in other columns will, will, will change. For example, on as you can see here, on October 12, 2022, we had physics 2 taught, and the topic was quadratic equation. But now when I go ahead and change, so this in ascending order, go ahead and set this in ascending order, and up to Z. Now you can see as you come down here, you see still on October 12, physics 2 was taught and the topic was quadratic equation. When you come here on top, I see the first value, which is algebra. A is the first or the smallest value in alphabetic. So you can see I have on October 11th, physics 1, and that was algebra. So I like, so that's how really we can do different types of sorting uh, in ascending order and in descending order, and then sorting with different values, sorting with cell colors, font colors, and condition formatting. In the next video, we shall look on how we can do sorting using advanced uh, level way of sorting, and the other tools we can use when we are sorting our data values in Microsoft Excel. So guys, thank you for watching. Let's catch up in the next video.